Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Boohoo haul. So over the past few months I've been accumulating a lot of stuff from Boohoo. I recently discovered this website just kind of like online, and I was like, wait a minute, let me see if I can order something, because they seem to have like a really good plus size collection. And as you guys know, I'm considered plus size. I'm a size like 14. And Boohoo sizes are UK sizes, but they also have like American sizes as well. So you can order from them if you live in the States. Do not be discouraged, because their website does have like UK on it, but you can choose the option to click USA. So that's what I did, and I picked a bunch of pieces from their website. So with that being said, I just wanted to show you the pieces that I got. I love literally every single thing that I got. Everything fits so beautifully. I'm literally obsessed. So I wanted to do a haul, and then when I put them in YouTube search, I noticed that there's tons of Boohoo hauls. So I was like, wait a minute, I'm late to the party here. So I wanted to show you guys everything I got. This video is not sponsored, you guys. I bought everything with my own money. I honestly just found them randomly and decided to do this video. So they didn't send me any of this. So unfortunately, I don't have like a coupon code for you guys or anything, but maybe in the future, if they see this video, I'll be able to get one for you. All right, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. So the first piece is this one shoulder like satin dress. I love this on the model. First of all, it fits perfectly, but what I love about it is that it has this elastic waist, so it does kind of just fit better in here. Usually when things like this are zippered in the back, I usually can't do them unless they're like tailored to my body. So I love that this was elastic, so it's very forgiving. And then also I have really big boobs, as you guys can see. I have some boobs here. So for me, I need dresses that are forgiving in this area, because my chest takes up most of my clothing. My waist area isn't very big, so something like this was like perfect for me because it can go either way. I also have sort of a wide back because I have such a big chest, so my back is a little bit wider, so I need dresses like this. It is a little loose in here, especially in the arms, because I'm not very big in that area. So my problem usually is just like I'm top heavy, but everything's in this area. The other thing about this is you're gonna have to wear a strapless bra with this. So I have not found a strapless bra yet that works for me with this dress. I have tried some, but none of them seem to work. They all seem to show. So what I'm thinking about doing is buying those boob tape things I've been seeing all over the internet, the one that pulls your boob up and it sticks here. I've really been thinking about that to wear with this dress because it's really sexy. This is something that I would absolutely wear out like on a date night or something. So this dress has a split on the side, which I love, but I'm definitely gonna have to find something to accommodate the chest area. So this next piece, guys, don't laugh at me, is very similar to what I'm wearing right now. This dress I'm wearing is actually from Fashion to Figure. This is not from Boohoo. I got this dress like a couple months ago to wear as a beach cover up because I noticed it was really short. It is a shorter dress. If I was a little shorter in height, which I'm 5'6", but I feel like this is just a short dress. So I actually just wore this over my bathing suit on the beach, and it is a little snug, but it does have this stretchy waistline, which I love. Again, elastic in the waist is always a must for me. So this actually worked out, but it is a little low cut here. So for me, a bathing suit was like the perfect thing to wear with this. Otherwise, if I wore a bra, you would totally be able to see it, even though it kind of overlaps here. For me, a bra would still show because I tried it on with just a bra and I felt like, this will probably just be a beach cover up for me. So that is what I did with this, but I do love it. It's really, really cute. The next dress I have not worn yet, but I love. I actually just got this in the mail yesterday. I'm literally obsessed with the sleeves. Like, the detail is just so pretty to me. I love it. I do have this dress in like an olive green color. I've already worn it on a talk show segment that I did, so I know what this dress would fit like. So I ordered this one because it's literally the same exact dress, just a printed one. I love it. So I wanted to show it to you guys because I already wore this one on TV and it just fits so cute. I got so many questions on where I got this dress from. People were like, where did you get that dress? It's so cute. So I just wanted to officially show it in a video. I got this from Boohoo.com, and I love how it fits. It's literally just so flowy. It feels good. It fits nicely. It's very forgiving. It hides all of my little, you know, imperfections in my body. So I love that. So I had to pick it up in this style because I just thought this print was so pretty. It actually came in like a mint green floral print, which I originally wanted, but they did not have it in my size. I ended up just getting the pink one, but it's just as pretty. I love it. It's very spring summery. So I wanted to just get this to wear, I don't even know, on somewhere I will find somewhere to wear this dress to. So this piece is an off the shoulder dress. I love this. It's a short, fun little dress to wear. You'll never go wrong with an all black dress, you guys. So I picked this dress because it's sexy. It's like off the shoulder and it's like short. I love my legs. One of my favorite body parts are my legs. So I wanted to get something that kind of showed my legs but still like was cute, fun, and sexy, but didn't show too much. So I love that about this dress. The only thing I have with this dress is here. I'm definitely going to have to figure out a bra situation for this one as well because, I don't know, it just doesn't lay the way that I want it to with a regular bra. I definitely don't really like a strapless bra with it. I tried it, but it just didn't look right. So I'll probably have to do that boob tape with this, or I just won't wear it off the shoulder. I feel like it gives you the option to do both. So I might just end up finding a really good bra and just kind of wearing it up here if it'll stay. But I do love the dress. If I was going to order this again, I got it in a 14. It fits in the body area fine, but the arms to me are a little tight, and on the model, I guess she has like really thin arms. It's a little loose. It's more baggy, and I think that's what attracted me to the dress. So I would probably go a size up in the future, but then I'd really have to work out the bra situation. So it fits in the body, but I feel like it's just super tight in the arms. So it looks slightly different on me. And another thing that I did with it is I put a little belt around this, like a Gucci belt, and it was super cute. So I have not worn it yet, but I did try it on like that and I really liked it. So you guys will see pictures of the models with everything throughout this video, so you kind of have an idea what it looks like on. The next dress is this wrap dress. It's I guess this is cheetah print wrap dress. I don't know if you guys can see that. It ties in the front. So what I noticed about this when I got it is it actually isn't a wrap dress. I think that's what it is, but it's not. I don't know how to explain that. So basically, it's kind of one of those illusion type dresses, I guess. I don't know what it would be called, but in the front, it looks like a wrap dress. It looks like you would wrap it and then the front pretty much ties. So this belt just ties in the front, and then here it looks like as if it's a wrap dress. So I thought it was super cute because I love dresses with like wide arms. This had like the wide arm detail, and this is just great for when I have TV stuff to do. So I try and find a lot of dresses that accommodate my different television appearances that I have to do, because lots of times TV studios like you to just have like solid colors on. They're not a huge fan of prints, and this one I didn't buy for that, but I absolutely could wear it on TV because it's not too crazy of a print and it's not very, very bright. On the picture, on the model, it was like a really, really bright orange, so I was like, I don't know where I'm wearing this, but I thought it was cute. But when it came, it was like darker, so I don't know if I chose the wrong color in checkout, but this is not what was advertised. But it's literally the same dress, it's just a different color. So I don't know if I just chose a darker color or if it's not really that like bright orange that I was expecting. I don't really know. Either way, the dress is super cute. It fits really nice, so whatever. You know what I mean? Like, you win some, you lose some. Overall, I'm happy with everything that I got. This I'm going to be wearing in a future segment, literally next week. So I wanted to just show it to you guys really quickly. I love this detail in the arms. It's very like wide in the arms, and then it fits around the wrist. It has like the little wrist buttons here, and then it looks low, but it's actually not too bad. I tried it on yesterday and I loved it. This does zip up in the back. So when I noticed the dresses zip up in the back, for me with having a wide back and a bigger chest, I like to order them a size up. Ordered it in a 16 because I know that it is a UK based company, so I was like, let me go a size up. I'm so glad I did that because I have to wear this in a few days, so I would have been bummed if it came and it was too small or too tight. But it literally fits like perfection. Like it zips up in the back, no issues. I absolutely love it. I love the blush color that it is. My nails match it and so do my toes. So I'm excited about this. I'll be wearing this on a future segment that I have coming up in West Palm and Florida. So if you guys are in the Florida area, the West Palm area, please check me out. I will be in West Palm on the 29th on NBC. I'm not exactly sure the airing time or anything like that yet, but I will keep you guys posted. Again, follow me on Instagram. I put all the information there, and I'll be wearing this dress so you can see what it looks like. And then last but not least, I have this oversized black blazer. I needed a new one. I've had tons over the years and I don't know where they go. Like I feel like they're like hair ties for me. They disappear. I had blazer after blazer after blazer, and for some reason I lost them all. So I decided to just pick up a new one. This one is just a simple blazer. It doesn't button or anything. It's just an open blazer. But you can never go wrong with a black blazer. I feel like blazers will always be somewhat in style, especially in the business world and in the television world. They're never going to go anywhere. So it's always good to have one. So I just wanted to pick up a new one. I think this one might be... This one is a 14. I could have used it in a 16. I should have gone a size up. It's a little tight in this area, like right here. So that concludes my Boohoo haul, you guys. This is everything that I got. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces from Boohoo that I absolutely love. Literally no complaints. I do plan on ordering more stuff from them. They're sort of like my new go-to now. So please expect more Boohoo hauls. If you guys like these little fashion hauls, please let me know and I will do more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll also tag this dress because I know people are going to ask me about it. I love it. It's so cute. So I got it from Fashion to Figure. So if you guys want this dress too, it'll be in the description box. Okay guys, love you. Talk to you later. Bye.